Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. Very good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Have you all revised last day's workbook problems?
Yeah.
Only one, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And do you have your maths notebook with you now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this chapter, we have learned what is a pattern, and we have completed few patterns and shapes, and now we know how to find out basic shape of a pattern. Huh? Anybody is having any doubt? Now, dear children. Oh, good. Now, dear children, we want stand in. Stand in. Will you say what is a pattern? Stand in, say answer. Stand in. Will you say what is a pattern?
Can I? Basic shape.
Wait, dear children. Others, keep your audio muted. Others, good children, please keep your audio muted. Let's stand and say answer. Okay, stand in. Are you ready now?
Repeated shape.
Only repeated shapes.
Yes.
Not numbers.
Namai.
Not numbers, stand in.
Numbers also.
Numbers also. Abdel, will you say? Abdel. Abdel, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
You can.
Yes.
You can.
A pattern is an arrangement of shapes that follow a particular rule.
Shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule. Oh, reading from. Good. Reading from workbook, dear?
No.
No. Very good. Very good. Very good. Veda, will you repeat?
Ma'am, can I pattern is a arrangement of shape or numbers that follow a particular rule.
Okay, very good. Very good. Very good.
Can
Then,
I?
Anna Rose.
Can I?
Anna Rose.
Ma'am, can I? Can I?
Dear children, keep your audio muted. Anna, you can.
Then is an arrangement of shapes that
or numbers that follow
a particular rule.
A particular rule. So, dear children, a pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule. Tejasri, where is Tejasri? Dear, you can use the chat box if my voice is not audible, or if you can't see the screen, you can use the chat box. Otherwise, please don't chat. Okay? Tejasri, have you understood? Okay. Have you understood, dear?
Yes.
Now, dear children, now we are going to discuss. Now I muted you all. I'll give you time for asking doubt or anything. Let me explain after that. Okay? So, dear children, today we are going to discuss about number patterns. In first standard, second standard, and all, you have learned number patterns. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that will continue. That is a number pattern. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 80. All these are number patterns. And in all these patterns, you can see a relation between the numbers. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the pattern is increasing. Increasing, how it is increasing? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Like that. We are adding 1. Like that, next number, next pattern, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What we are adding? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Here also we are adding 10. And the number is increasing. If I am giving another example, 100, 200, 300, 400. Here also the numbers are increasing the increasing order. And by how much it is increasing? 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 300 plus 100, 400. 400 plus 100, 500. Like this, the number is increasing. Or we are adding and getting the another number. Like these patterns are increasing pattern. And now, Shaza, sit, unmute Shaza.
Yes.
Will you give one example for a number pattern that you have learned last year or year before last year?
Like this 10, 20, 30, otherwise 5, 10, 25.
Yes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes. Now, Tereshri, will you give one? Unmute. Any number pattern? Example?
40, 60, like that.
Sorry?
40,
13, 14.
Correct. 20,
Sorry?
20, 30 is not there, then 40.
20, 40, then?
60.
20, 40, 60. Next, 80, 100. Good. Good, Tejasri. Okay. Next, Benedict, will you give one example?
Yes. 2, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Very good. Very good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Dear children, here is the number increasing. The numbers are in increasing order?
No.
No, it's decreasing. 9, 8, 7, 6, like that. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50. Here also decreasing. The numbers are decreasing. 90 minus 10, 80. 80 minus 10, 70. 70 minus 10. Subtracting over here. And 800, 700, 600. Here we are subtracting 100. Then 500, 400. All these patterns, the numbers are decreasing. So these are decreasing patterns. Okay. So dear children, now I am going to show you two number patterns. Okay. I'll be showing two number patterns. Now. Now I muted. And dear children, you don't want to copy to your notebook. Just now I am going to share screen, but you don't want to copy to your notebook. Just listen. Now I am going to write few numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Ardra, what will come next? Unmute. 22, 24.
28.
Ah, yes, 28. Then Ardra, what will come next? After
30.
28, 30. Next. Next.
32.
32. Next.
34.
34. Like that, this pattern will continue. Dear children, have you noticed the last digits of these numbers? Like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the last digit. Here, again 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, what is the last digit? 0, 2, 4. Like that, it will continue. So here you can see the last digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So dear children, this pattern we can call these pattern numbers in these numbers. The pattern we can call even numbers. What we will call, dear children? Even numbers.
Ma'am, numbers have
Even numbers. What we will call?
even
numbers.
Even
Dear
numbers.
children,
Even numbers.
Dear children, if
Number.
a number ends with the digit,
Have an even number.
if a number ends with the digit 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, we can call that numbers as even numbers. Like 214. Here, what is the last digit? Here you can see the last digit 4. 4 is if the number ends with 4, it's an even number. Like 512. Here the last digit is 2. So it's an even number. This is also an even number. But 313. Here you can see the last digit as 3. So it's not an even number. Okay. So dear children, if the numbers ends with the last digits of the number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, the number we can call even number. Now I am going to show you another pattern like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Nia, what will come next? Unmute. Nia, unmute. 21. Then what will come next? Adding 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Like that, 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2. If you are adding 2 with 21. 21 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. After 21. 22. 23. So what will come next?
23.
Louder, please.
23.
Wait. What will come next? Unmute and say. Tejas. Dear, unmute and say.
25.
23. Then
23.
25. Then
27.
27. Jovi, will you say next number?
Ma'am, he is not unmuted. 29.
Jovi will say next one. 29. Ah,
31.
31. Then
33.
33. Like that, this pattern will continue. Dear children, have you noticed the last digit of these numbers? Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like that, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3. Like that, this pattern is continuing. So, dear children, if the number is n with the digits 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, those numbers we can call odd numbers. We will call odd numbers. So dear children, if the number is n with the 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, what will call that numbers? Odd numbers. What will call?
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers.
Yes.
Odd
So we have this
numbers.
even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers
Numbers and odd
with the
Odd
2
numbers.
or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. Then
Okay,
it will be even number, last digit.
Even number. Even number.
Then if the number ends with a 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, that numbers we can call
Odd.
odd numbers.
Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers.
Now I am going to write few numbers. Now 213. Aiden, please unmute. Aiden Tekkumtala, please unmute. Aiden, I'll come to you later, Aiden. I think you have some network issue. Ishan, please unmute. Ishan, please unmute. Okay. 213, that what is the last digit? Last digit. 3, yes. Very good. 3 is the last digit. So it is an even number or odd number. Ishan. Odd number. Very good, Ishan. It's an odd number. Why? 213 is an odd number because last digit is 3. Okay. Next, Adi Shankara, please unmute. Unmute, Adi Shankara. Unmute. Unmute here. Okay. Now I am going to write 935. Dear, what is the last digit of 935? Adi Shankara. Adi Shankara, will you say what is the last digit of 935? What is the last digit? What is the last digit, Adi Shankara? Can you hear me, Adi Shankara? Huh? Yes. Louder, please. I can't hear your sound. Okay. Here last digit is 5. Then whether it is even number or odd number. The last digit is 5. What we can call those numbers? What we will call? Kasna, will you help him? Kasna. What is the last digit of 935? Wait. What is the last digit?
Adi Shankar is not unmuted.
Yes, he was unmuted. Kasna, can you hear me? Please unmute.
5.
Sorry?
5.
5 is the last digit. Then it is an even number or odd number?
Odd number.
Odd number. Yes, very good.
Number.
Odd number. Now, everybody keep your audio muted. Rahul Krishna. Rahul.
Ma'am, you want to write?
Even number.
I have
Rahul.
unmuted, ma'am. Ma'am.
Rahul. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul, please unmute.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You don't know how to unmute? I'll come to you later, dear. Next.
Am I?
Aradhya. Aradhya.
Ma'am, can I? Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Others,
Ma'am,
please keep your audio muted. Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya. Now
Yes.
I am going to write 900, 200, sorry, 350. Whether it is an even number or odd number.
Even number.
It's an even number. Why?
Because zero.
Last digit is 0. So it's an even number. Very good, very good.
Even number.
Yes. So dear children, if a number ends with
Even number.
a number ends with the digits 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that numbers we can call even numbers. Okay. And if the number ends with a 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, we can call those numbers as odd numbers.
Odd numbers.
Okay. And the number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, like that will continue. That pattern is a pattern with the even numbers. Like that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. That pattern is a pattern with the odd numbers. Okay. Now we are going to discuss few patterns. Dear children, this also you don't want to copy to your notebook. Okay. Okay, dear children?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now, I'm going to write few patterns on the board.
Ma'am, this
Don't need to write. Dear children, you don't want to write this. I'll tell you when you want to write. Okay? 510, 520, 530. Yes, I want. Sane. Please unmute Sane. What will come next? 510, 520, 530. What will come next?
540.
Yes, 540. Next, what will come? Sorry?
Late in the class.
550. Next, what will come?
560.
Very good, Sane. Very good.
Ma'am,
Next.
I was late in the class.
Oh, what happened?
I didn't get the class.
Oh. Any network issue was there?
Yes, I think.
Okay. Next, Amrin. Next question, Amrin should say answer.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was an increasing pattern. Next, I am going to write another pattern. 90, 80, 70. Amrin, will you tell what will come next? 90, 80, 70. Decreasing. 9, here 8, here 7. What will come next?
Ma'am,
I
was late in the class.
So okay, then also you can try.
Okay,
90, 80. Here you can see. Try, no problem. Whether it is Correct or wrong, no problem. You have to try.
Uh,
9,
Ma'am,
8. Yes, very good. 60. Then, what will come next? Sorry?
50.
9. Yes, 50. Then what will come? 6,
40.
5. Ah, yes, very good. 40. Very good. Next question, Qualby should say. Qualby. Ah. The question is 932, 930, 928. What will come next, dear? Qualby?
926.
Very good. 926. Next. What will come next?
924.
Very good. 924. You can see here 3, 2, 8, 6, 4. It is decreasing by 2. Then
22.
922. Very good. Very good, Qualby. So now I am going to give 3 patterns that, dear children, you have to do yourself. Open your maths notebook. Open your maths notebook, dear children. Now I'll be giving 3 patterns that you have to copy down and you have to complete it. So you can give the heading, patterns in numbers. Give the heading, patterns in numbers. Patterns in numbers. First question, 122, 133, then 144. What will come next? Next one, 303, 304, 305. What will come next? Next, 35, 30, 25. Do fast. One more minute. Within that, you have to complete. Okay. Only 3 patterns. Very easy. Have you all completed, dear children?
Yes.
Dear children, have you all completed?
Yes.
No.
Right?
Yes.
Do fast.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Everybody might have completed first question. Isn't it? Have you all completed first question?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Who is there without completing first question? Anyway, we can discuss first question answer. Otherwise, we won't get time. Adish, will you unmute?
Yes.
Will you tell first question answer 122, 133, 144? What will come next? 122, 133, 144. Adish, let Adish say answer. What will come next? 100? Dear, 1 is same. 1 is same. 22, 33, 44.
110.
Let Adish say answer, dear.
110.
Is it 110?
104.
Only Adish. That's why
155.
I only want answer from Adish. Adish. Others, please keep your audio muted.
155.
155. Then next what will come?
66.
166. Next what will come?
177.
Very good. 177. Very good. Very good. Next, Jovial. Next question to Jovial. 303, 304, 305, 306. What will come next? Dear children, please mute your audios. Jovial. Sorry? 306.
307.
Very good. 307. 308. Very good, Jovial. Next. Bhagya. Please unmute. 35, 30, 25. It is decreasing. So, what will come next year? 30. 35, 30. 25. Louder. 20. I can't hear your sound, but 20. Then, what will come next? From your lip movement, I can understand the answer. Good, Bhagya, but little more louder. After 15, what will come?
10.
10. Then 5. Okay. Good, Bhagya. Very good. Okay.
And the time.
Dear children, I hope you all completed the same notes I will be sending through WhatsApp. In that, you have to copy 2 sentences like what is even number, what is odd numbers. Okay. That you have to copy. I will be sending through WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, my dear children.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you next
Thank you,
time.
ma'am.
Bye. Tata.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.